checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha. Checking out Changsha, checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
Okay, we're on the waterfront, and we're also capturing a lot of the stuff around here. So they got like maybe a ring toss kind of thing. Yeah, ring toss. Got some music here. Got lots of gonna also have a waterfront over here too, so we're gonna try to get over there, take a look at that. So that's gonna be our main focus, is to walk along the waterfront. Let me go over there right now, and then you can get a little bit of a preview of what we're gonna do. It is right there. So our little walk is gonna be down that way. I think people walk across the bridge too, but we're gonna start out right here. So stay tuned for that. Slice of Changsha for you. Changsha, China. So the other ones I've been right in the kind of cool pedestrian area part of it. This one I'm going to be walking down the riverfront. So there's going to be like kind of a older community, some music, all kinds of different stuff. So you're going to see it all there yourself, as if you're there yourself. This is exactly where we are at the map as well. And let's go down and show it to you. Changsha, China. So we're going to meander down this way and kind of meander down towards the waterfront. So kind of cool. Lots of people hanging out at the waterfront here. I guess we're going to just walk straight this way. And we'll see what we can see along the way. Oh, they got I gotta learn to play that game. I've been trying to learn the basics of it. So I guess I watched it a little bit. I could maybe learn a little bit more. They play it in Macau as well. So let me just kind of, looks like there's some riverboat cruises down that way. There's a temple. If I go down that way, I don't think it's gonna be that interesting. They are selling stuff. I think I'm just gonna kind of go back around and capture what's behind me more. I think it's gonna be kind of a stretch down that way. But over here is Orange Island, I believe it's called, and there's a big statue of Mao somewhere over there. Somewhere on that island. I don't know if it's down in that end or the other end. But a lot of tourists will go there. I'm gonna go back this way. Kind of interesting to watch them play that game though. I've been watching that a little bit on YouTube and just how to play it properly. I was so cautious to film it in Macau because I thought it was gambling, but it's actually just chess. They may or may not gamble, but if you film people gambling, and they might not like that so much. So got a little bit of rain today. Starting to rain. So we are going to keep on walking down this way a little bit. See what else we got. Slice of Changsha though. Random dog. Starting to rain a little bit. So I think what we're gonna do, some palm reading. So we're gonna do, it's funny because I had an umbrella and I don't have it now. I bought it yesterday and then I didn't think it was gonna rain. I looked at the weather report and it looked like it was gonna stop raining in the afternoon, and now it's the afternoon and it's raining. Oh, they got more of the music over here too. Let's go check that out. Let's see. I think we're gonna try to. Oh, there it is over there. That sounds interesting. They're probably gambling here, so that one I shouldn't film. I shouldn't watch. I mean, I shouldn't pause. If they're playing the card games, or there's a chance that they could be gambling. More. I wonder what the event is. I wonder if it's still a holiday today. Hello, oh, let's see.
100块钱，生活到了使不到去，心里才是本钱。也遇到过这个好配方，遇到过这个好用的小帮买就是了。第一个，我在这里不骗你，不哄你，不多讲。生产饲料货真价实，你看什么呢？啊，这个税方面条件呢，这个东西，最好这个是两个什么东西。
Okay. I think we're going to navigate around a little bit over this way. It's confusing in here because I don't want to film anybody gambling. And now we're feeling they probably will, probably are. Anyways, what we're gonna do next. Keep on going. Let's see. Okay. They're playing more of the Chinese chess. Anyways, I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna come to an end right here. So that will be, let's go to the waterfront before we end. But I don't know if this is typical of every day here. Or it's all older people, so maybe they're retired and I think they get some kind of pension at a certain age of working in China. Okay. So let's come to an end. Slice of Changsha. So we're gonna stroll.
China got it, baby. Cha cha Changsha.